Preparing for natural disasters or emergencies involves more than just the basics like food and water. While those are crucial, it's often the smaller details that can greatly impact how situations unfold. So in this video, we'll look at 10 often overlooked items that could make a big difference in any crisis. First and foremost, let's look at water storage. Without water, everything else becomes insignificant. While storing water isn't necessarily difficult, ensuring you have enough can be challenging. The general rule is 1 gallon per person per day, but realistically, it's more like 2 gallons to account for higher usage. This means a family of 3 would need nearly 100 gallons for a 2-week period. Considering alternatives like water filters for bulk storage and learning about water purification methods is essential. Next, fire starters are often underestimated. Traditional methods like newspapers are outdated, so knowing various fire starting techniques and practicing them beforehand is crucial. From dryer lint to ferro rods, having multiple options is key to ensuring you can start a fire efficiently when needed. Good footwear is essential, especially if bugging out or walking long distances becomes necessary. Comfortable, durable shoes can prevent blisters and discomfort, making an already challenging situation more manageable. Entertainment may not seem like much of a survival necessity, but it is crucial for maintaining morale, especially for families. Board games, books, and alternative ways to recharge electronics can make downtime more bearable. Even if you're not an avid camper, camping supplies double as survival gear. Items like camp stoves, coolers, and tents can prove invaluable in emergency situations. Solar lights are often overlooked, but can also provide a reliable light source during power outages. Just place them outdoors to charge during the day, and you'll have emergency lighting at night. Manual appliances like can openers and coffee makers are essential in grid-down scenarios. Having alternatives for everyday tasks that rely on electricity can be a game changer. A preparedness library, including physical copies of important manuals and books, ensures access to vital information when internet access is unavailable. In particular, buy books about subjects you're not as familiar with. As an example, if your first aid skills are lacking, be sure to have a couple of emergency medical books handy. Gardening tools and non-GMO seeds provide the means to grow your own food if necessary. Learning gardening skills not only ensures self-sufficiency, but it can also be therapeutic. And lastly, fire extinguishers, smoke detectors, and carbon monoxide detectors are essential for safety in any scenario. Accidents do happen, and having these devices on hand can prevent minor mishaps from turning into disasters. By paying attention to these often overlooked items, you can better prepare yourself for any disaster or emergency situation. Remember, it's the small details that can make all the difference in ensuring your safety and well-being. As always, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And check out this video YouTube has chosen for you to watch based on your viewing history.